If you're getting a sync error or account issue in LDPlayer, like Google account not syncing or showing an error, yeah, that's a common problem. The good news is you can fix it pretty quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your network is weak or disconnecting, syncing will fail. Next, go to Android settings, open accounts, remove your Google account, and then add it again. This refreshes the sync connection and fixes most account errors. After that, go to Apps, find Google Play services, and clear the cache. Yeah, corrupted data here can stop syncing completely. Now do the same for Google Services Framework. So clearing its data can reset sync errors and reconnect your account properly. Make sure auto sync is turned on. If sync is disabled, your account won't update at all. Then restart LDPlayer and check if the sync error is gone. This helps apply all the changes you just made. If the issue is still there, update LDPlayer or reinstall it. Yeah, outdated or broken system files can also cause account sync problems. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the sync error and get your account working normally again in LDPlayer.